Hello everyone, how are you? So warm welcome to our channel also a little family freecourses.com, and those who are new in my family, show warm welcome to all of you. So let's start our today's video. But before starting our today's video, my honest request to all of you, please stay at that end of that video. You will get a lot of knowledge and lot of things from that video. Okay, so without wasting any more time, let's go to the video. So today's notification is coming from the upgrade. So those who are does not know what is the upgrade, so it is an educational platform as like Coursera or Udemy. So they're providing you some courses, paid courses obviously, in different domain, and they're also providing you certificates with some reputed universities. Okay, like Imperial University, Stanford University. Okay, if you look at their header section, higher form upgrade, study abroad. Okay, and many more things they are also providing you in that platform. But today, upgrade will introduce the free courses, totally free of cost. Okay, with a certificate. Not only course, guys, you can also eligible to get after successfully complete. If you successfully complete the courses, then you will be eligible to get their verified certificate. Okay, so let's go to the section, means course introduction section, that what are the courses they will introduce. Okay, so first of all is the business basics. So I think they will cover all of the domains which are currently trending in the market, okay, and high demand in the market. New courses means there is a new section. New section means the courses, because it is under process, guys. They day to day they update a lot of new courses in that platform. Okay. Second one is the business basics. So those students are belonging from BCom, are currently doing their BCom, MBA or MCom. This section for the anyone can enroll for that course, but they will mostly beneficial from that. Okay, understanding the culture and its various components, fundamentals of communication. Then the next one, and my most favorite, is the data science, programming with Python, then data science in e-commerce like Amazon, Flipkart, Myntra. How these big tech e-commerce websites are using data science for suggesting product to their customers. Okay, so they will also cover you from scratch to advanced level. So I think it's an awesome time, guys, to enroll in that course, because I don't know that how many times they will open their this free courses section. But my opinion, if you're talking about my perspective, so I am telling you, as soon as possible, enroll any one of your course, okay, which you like to doing, okay, in your background, okay, which is suitable in your background. You can also enroll out in your choice. Okay, it's totally depends on you, guys. Then programming with Python, data science in e-commerce, introduction to database design with MySQL. So it's a database management system. How you can design the database, which will be the like client side, server side. Sorry, server side. How you can design the database with MySQL. Learn basic programming of Python, linear algebra for analysis, and learn Python libraries like NumPy, Matplotlib, and Pandas, which are the very important library for the data science. Okay, to because to plot or project the data in the form of graph, in the form of pie chart. Then the advanced SQL functions and formulas. Then fundamentals of deep learning and natural learning, and they will cover you most of the things. Okay, so they will cover you, I really appreciate their work. They will cover you all of the things. Okay, then the marketing part, and which is another important high demand in field in current market: email marketing, content marketing, yes, search engine marketing, search engine optimization. Okay, fundamentals of marketing, web analytics course for beginners. So they're really doing awesome, because they uh, cover all of the things. Okay, then machine learning, which is the another important and high demandable field in current market. Unsupervised machine learning, clustering, logic regression for beginners, linear regression, step by step, 21-hour course, and then comes to technology, and they will cover all of the high trending technologies like blockchain, React, Node. So I'm telling you that if you want to become a full stack web developer, so then you will be knowledge, you have a knowledge about this React is a JavaScript library, free and open source library maintained by Facebook, and Node is a Java runtime developed by Google V8 engine, and which is used in the server side Node. Okay, JavaScript runtime, JavaScript basics, core Java, then as advanced Java for all, then object-oriented principle of Java abstraction, encapsulation, inheritance, polymorphism, then object-oriented analysis as designed for beginners, blockchain features simplifier, data structure, and algorithm interview question. So I'm really, I have no words to describe their to describe their work. So they awesome. They really doing awesome. Okay, so then career planning. They cover. Previously, they will cover all of the things. Yeah, they also attach industry webinars, because what are the current trends and how the industry is going on. Okay, so because if you check any one of that a day in the life of a software engineer at Microsoft in USA, a data scientist at Walmart Labs in USA. Okay, so they're really doing awesome. They really perform some great work from my perspective. Okay, so let's go to the frequently FAQ section. Is frequently asked section, that who sorry, who should sign up, then will I get a certificate? Yes, you can get a certificate if you successfully complete if you successfully complete your enroll course, then you will be eligible for certificate. Then what is the duration? Okay, then how I access the content? Okay, so this is the main part, guys. The current courses are accessible till 1st March of 2020 22, sorry, 2022. Okay, so from here I have a understand that if you does not access the content after 1st March of 2022, then you will be not eligible to get the certificate, because in the certification section they will clearly mention that if you successfully complete the if you successfully complete the whole course, then you will be eligible to get the certificate. So if you does not successfully complete the content, so how you can eligible for that certificate? Okay, so that is my understand. That's what I understand until. Yeah, you would because all of the courses are totally free of cost. So from here you will be understand that you can whatever course you have to enroll, complete it before 1st of March. Means until you have 2 months. You have 2 months in your hand to complete their courses. Okay, so that is the main announcement in today's video. I think you all of are really sorry, I think you all of are really enjoy that video and really beneficial from that video. So, but guys, another important announcement to all of you. Okay, so if you does not eligible to complete in your enroll certificate, do not worry about, guys. I also make one video in Great Learning Platform. They also providing you certification along with some high demandable content. Okay, in demand skills. Okay, there is no timeline, there is no deadline. Okay, you can enroll any one of that course as per your choice, and you can complete your course as per your choice. Okay, as per your suitable timings. So they also introduce you some popular courses, newly launched courses. They day by day update their content section. Okay, their list, their introduction list. They every day they try to upload some new courses, those who are very high in demand, very high demand in the current job market. Okay, so data science, machine learning, artificial intelligence courses is Hindi. So those students are does not very much familiar with English, okay, like me. So they can also take any one of that courses. Okay, so they will provide the same content which you will get in English, the same content you will get in Hindi. Okay, for your convenience. They will introduce this section also. Cyber security. Okay, but so update does not cover the cyber security section, and which will one of the high demanded field in current job market. Not only for current job market, in the future days, it is also in demand. Okay, in the future days also, it is also in demand. Cloud computing, okay, management, okay. So my friends, those who are do not any type of worried, if you does not complete your course, your enroll course in the upgrade, please check the grade learning section. Okay, this is the video. I can give all of the respective links in the description. Do not forget to check out the description, okay, because in the description you will get your respective links. Okay, and you also get gray learning classroom, okay, classroom recordings also, deep learning with Python, time series with analytics. So one great thing about great learning is also they cover every content part by part. Okay, suppose if I taking one of that content, suppose they will at first they will teaching you Python, then you will move you in the data science or in the machine learning, any one of that. Then you can pick any one of that domain. Okay, so I think it's a great thing about great learning. Okay, so from my perspective also, from my perspective, everyone have their own decision, own perspective. So digital marketing, interview preparation, design and video, okay, they will also cover you all of the from top to bottom. They will also they cover all of the domains. Okay, so if you does not uh, complete your enroll course with the timeline, okay, so please check my that video, Great Learning Academy free courses with free certification. So there is no deadline. So that's it for the now, guys. And if you really beneficial from that video, do not forget to subscribe that channel. If you are new in my channel and to be a part of a little family and enhance it, my honest request to all of you, and please hit the like button. Okay, so because it will motivated me to make more videos. Okay, so that's it for guys. So thank you. Let's see in the Christmas. Thank you.